Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. Thank you for all your new subscribers. Today is Thursday. It is a beautiful day. It's a little chilly in the morning. I'm here at the DeLauer estate, just getting a walk in through, letting you know how it's going. It's going absolutely good. You can hear the birds chirping in the background. I'm over here by the, we represent as the frog pond. The gentleman over there on the bench with his dog, getting ready to head up for a walk, and yeah, so it's going really good. But I've been going through some of my older videos and what I've been doing. I've been I finally figured out how to re-edit the food videos anyways for shorts. So as you can tell, I've been putting up a lot of shorts lately on the channel, and that seems to be going remarkably well. And we're going to continue on with that and create new shorts, and the shuffle recipe going on every day at noontime for at least Monday through Friday anyways. It's going really good. Now on the job front there, we had got all my paperwork all squared away, dropped that off this morning. Hoping next week I can get involved with the registry and start doing some testing for that, and if I can pass the test, then I'll have a job. And they're willing to work with me for days off, which was my surprise, you know, because most companies won't let you do that, but they're really desperate for drivers. So, you know, I'd be driving the kids in the morning and in the afternoon, and, you know, I'm requesting Friday off, and, you know, when then she asked me, well, how many hours a week do you want to work? And I said, I like to work at least 20 or 30 hours a week, and that'd be perfect for me. And I told her, we'll just take one day at a time and see how things go, right? And see whether or not it's not too many hours for me to handle. But it's just driving, and you know, I could do that, and, you know, drop the kids off at the school. But, you know, there's a lot involved. It's not just so much of that. You have to know, you know, the rules and regulations of a small little school bus, and, you know, your capacity, how many kids are allowed on the bus, you know, whether or not you leave any kids on the bus or not, and who's responsible for all that. And you're responsible for kids, and that's a lot. You know, some people might not like that, but at a retirement age or any age, if you're looking for a job, there's a lot in your city or towns. They're always looking for drivers. Drivers for you know, medication pickup and delivery, drivers for you know, organ for, like, if you know, need a transplant and stuff like that, and they pay fairly well. You get benefits, you get holidays off, and you get 401k, and in some cases you can get insurance. So you know, to me, this is ideal for me, being retired, you know, with some, you know, underlying conditions that I have. That, you know, I'm okay. You know, since the start of my weight loss journey in 2020, I mean, I lost well over 150 pounds. And over the last year, I've been kind of like on maintenance here, and you know, I'm still down well over 100 pounds, actually 110 pounds, you know, since the original start of my weight loss journey, since I originally got down to 110 pounds. So I feel pretty fantastic about it, even though I'm not where I want to be with my weight, but I think that's great. You know, so I got a lot to be proud of, and the accomplishments I've been able to accomplish, and plus running a YouTube channel, that's an awful lot of work, if you know what I mean, you know, Jelly Bean. But you know, I love posting videos. I love talking about my journey. That, of course, that might slow down with the job and everything, but that's fine, because I can still do it on the weekends, and you know, and when I come home, I can do a bunch of videos and just edit them, put them up on the channel, you know, and do it that way. And then when I got Loza between the bus there, I could talk on the video, do like a live video, let you know how it's going and everything. But this is an absolutely beautiful place. Now, what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to flip the camera around, and I'm going to it's going to be like a little pause in between, and I'm going to just put it horizontal so you can see, so you get an idea, and I'll just talk over the timeline. But again, thank you so much for coming along my journey. And let me just flip. So, okay, wait a minute. I'm going to get up. Okay, so this is what's called the Doyle Estate. And I walk over there for the main road over there, way back behind the Doyle Estate, and that's the property that Louise Doyle and her husband Bernard once owned, and he was the mayor of Leominster. And this is what's like a frog pond over here. There's frogs and there's some goldfish and stuff like that. And then you know, you come over here in the morning, any time of day, just you can bring a pet, just have it on a leash, and those are willow trees up there, and then they're beautiful. Very quiet here, nice and peaceful, and they got benches over here, and they got benches all the way around. And most of the time I come walking in through that way, but I decided to go the opposite way today for something different. You get different angle photographs coming in from a different angle. And I walked all the way up over there, that hill, that glacier part, and then come around there on the backside over there, and climbed into the woods one day. And then going down this way, because there was a few years ago, somebody spotted a bear, and I thought I saw the bear as well that particular day, and then I scooted like a bat out of hell. But yeah, so you see it, good, nice willow tree up there. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, but that's what I look at when I go walking. I go walking there quite often. I'm usually here about 2 or 3 times a week, sometimes more, because it's so friendly, peaceful. The last time I was here, if you recall, somebody took a nice photograph of me. She actually took 3 or 4 of them, and I was talking to her along the way. I'm always making friends, and I'm very friendly and very outgoing, and I enjoy talking. I'm very confident now talking over videos and stuff like that. But yeah, just give you an overall view of what I'm seeing when I'm coming over here. But you guys have an amazing day. I'm gonna get going, finish up my walk, and yeah, so anyways, hope to see you on the next video. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for coming along my journey. So this is the back end trail when I come up over here. I usually come walking up that way, and there's a beautiful scenery all throughout the Doyle Estate up over here. And I really enjoy this again, and I enjoy putting these videos together for you again, and thank you so much again for coming along with the journey.